Hi there, friends. My name is Santosi Tole from Pinnacle of Hope. I am a trained colon hydrotherapist, a trained herbalist, and a diet and meal planner. Today we are going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of colon hydrotherapy. In other words, we are going to talk about before and after care of colon hydrotherapy. Have you ever wondered about the do's and don'ts of colon hydrotherapy? Well, you are at the right place. Today we are diving in deeper into the world of gut health and cleansing. Well, we'll explore everything you need to know about preparing for and recovering from a colon hydrotherapy session. Stick around because this information could be a game changer for your digestive health journey. Let's start with the before care of colon hydrotherapy. Preparation is key to getting the most out of your session. First things first, hydration is crucial. In the days leading to your appointment, make sure you are drinking plenty of water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your body well hydrated. This helps soften waste and makes the cleansing process more effective. Now let's talk about your diet before the session. It's important to eat light, easily digestible meals in the 24 hours before your appointment. Think soups, smoothies, and steamed vegetables. Avoid heavy, fatty foods, dairy products, and red meat. These can be harder to pass and might interfere with the cleansing process. It's also a good idea to cut back on caffeine and alcohol a few days before your session. These can be dehydrating and may affect the results of your cleanse. On the day of your appointment, try to have a light breakfast or skip it altogether if your session is early in the day. This allows your digestive system to be as clear as possible. Now, let's address a common question. Should you take supplements before your session? It's best to avoid taking any supplements or medications on the day of your appointment unless they are absolutely necessary. Always consult with your colon hydrotherapist if there are any issues or if there are any questions that you need answered. Okay, so you've had your colon hydrotherapy session. Now, what now? Let's talk about aftercare, which is just as important as preparation. First and foremost, hydration remains crucial. Your body has just gone through a cleansing and it needs to replenish fluids. Drink plenty of water in the hours and days following your session. Usually, most of colon hydrotherapists will offer you some herbal teas and electrolytes. It is very important to replenish your body with more electrolytes. Your digestive system might feel a bit sensitive after the treatment. It's important to ease back into eating solid foods. Start with light, easily digestible meals like soups, broths, and steamed vegetables. Those are excellent choices. Gradually introduce other foods over the next few days. Probiotics can be very beneficial after a colon hydrotherapy session. They help repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria. You can take probiotic supplements or eat probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut. It's normal to experience some changes in your bowel movements in the days following your session. You might have more frequent bowel movements or notice changes in their consistency. This is perfectly normal and should stabilize within a few days. Many people report feeling lighter and more energized after colon hydrotherapy. However, it's important to listen to your body. If you feel tired, allow yourself to rest. Avoid strenuous exercises for at least 24 hours after your session. Some people experience mild cramping or bloating after their treatment. This is usually temporary and should subside quickly. If you experience any severe discomfort or unusual symptoms, contact your practitioner. Now let's talk about maintaining the benefits of your colon session. A healthy diet rich in fiber is key. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals. These foods help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Regular exercise is also important for maintaining gut health. Even moderate activities like walking or yoga can help stimulate your digestive system. Stress management is another crucial factor in gut health. Consider incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing into your daily routine. Some people find it also beneficial to have regular colon hydrotherapy sessions. The frequency can vary depending on individuals and your health goals. Always consult with a qualified practitioner to determine what is best for you. Remember, colon hydrotherapy is just one part of a holistic approach to health. It works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. There you go, folks. The ins and outs of before and after care of colon hydrotherapy. We hope this information helps you prepare for and get the most out of your next session. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Have you tried colon hydrotherapy before? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to